Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I make some coconut buns. These are the ingredients that I'm using, and I will be listing them in the description box below. So into a bowl, I'm going to add like 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and then you want to stir it in. Now you don't want to cream it like when you're making a cake, and yes, if you want you can do that, but in this method it's just a matter of, having a nice moist coconut bun. So I'm just gonna break up the butter with the sugar and egg by stirring it, and just that simple, nothing too big and too fancy. Once the butter is all mixed up like this and break up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some nutmeg. Then I'm going to add some essence. Of course, you need to put a little bit of salt into this mixture. And then I'm going to add the baking powder and some instant yeast. Give it a mix. And once I'm done, I'm going to add just a handful of raisin, if you so desire of putting raisin into yours, along with 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Once you think you have enough raisin into yours, just give it a nice little toss around, and then we are going to go ahead and add our flour. Now, there are different types of flour. Some are lighter than some. So it all depends on what type of flour you're using also. So with that mixture that I put into there, I'm going to add a little bit of flour. And once it looks like this after mixing, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of grated coconut. Remember, we are making coconut bun. The coconut has milk in it, right? So once it's mixed, it's going to even get softer. The mixture going to be a bit softer. Mix it in well, and then you're going to go ahead and add more flour. Remember, again, the flour can vary. At this time, I have my oven set to 275 degrees. Now I'm adding more flour and mix it in until you got a mixture that is not really sticking to the spoon. It must look something like this when you're done. Not too stiff, not too soft, but a mixture that when you put your finger, it's not stick to your finger or it's not stick to the spoon or the spatula or whatever you want to use, just like this. Now take a grease pan. You can grease with butter or oil, and according to the size of bun you want to make, you just put them there. I put some cherries to top it off, and then I place them into the oven and let them bake until they are golden brown. And it's that simple, guys. Some good old coconut buns. I serve them up with some mobi. You can use it with some milk, any kind of juice or whatever you wanted to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Go make it, and don't you forget to like and subscribe.